Class 10th Geography, Chapter Mineral and Energy Resources, Part 4. In this chapter, we will study about non-conventional sources of energy. Let's begin with the chapter. Energy is the most vital necessity for the daily life of all living beings. And of various forms of energy, electrical energy is the most important form for the immense advantages offered by it. Significantly for utilization of the energy, it is the most efficient and cleanest form of energy when used for industrial, commercial or domestic requirements. The sun, water and wind have been the inexhaustible sources of energy for time immemorial. Over the last many decades, man has learned to harness these primary sources of energy to produce electricity in a successful and commercially viable form. In addition, there are many other natural resources of energy which are under developmental stage for generating electricity. All these sources are known as non-conventional alternative sources of energy. Advantages of non-conventional sources. The main advantages or characteristic features of non-conventional or alternative sources are: these sources of energy are available freely and in abundance. In fact, they are renewable, so there is no fear of their getting exhausted or depleted. They are environment friendly and do not produce any waste or cause pollution. When situated close to load centers, they can result in reduction of overall cost of electricity generation, making it cost effective. The following are some of the non-conventional energy resources which have been exploited in the country by the Government of India: solar energy, wind energy, biogas, tidal energy, geothermal energy. Solar energy. Sun is the primary source of energy. The sun provides us enormous amounts of energy in the form of solar radiation reaching the surface of the earth. With its vast potential of virtually untapped energy living off, the sun promises to be an attractive alternative for the future. It is being used for various purposes like direct solar heating, solar water heaters, solar electricity generation using photovoltaic cells. Uses and applications. The sun offers direct and inexhaustible source of energy, especially in a tropical country like ours, with over 300 days of clear sky that can be utilized to generate electrical energy. Advantages of solar energy. Solar energy is a resource that is not only sustainable for energy consumption, it is indefinitely renewable. Solar power does not cause any pollution. Solar panels require little maintenance. Disadvantages of solar energy. The primary disadvantage of solar power is that it obviously cannot be created during the night. The power generated is also reduced during times of cloud cover. Solar panel energy is maximized when the panel is directly facing the sun. Most efficient solar cells only convert just over 20% of the sun rays to electricity. Installing solar panels is quite expensive. Wind energy. Wind is another important source of non-conventional energy. For long, energy from wind has been utilized to produce mechanical energy from windmills and used for pumping and running flour mills. Electricity from wind can be generated only in the areas of high wind velocity. Advantages of wind energy. Wind power is another completely clean energy source on the basis of greenhouse gas emission. Wind power is captured efficiently with today's technology, as wind turbines can be placed in a wide variety of locations like deserts and oceans. Remote areas that cannot be connected to electric power grid can use wind power to create their own supply of electricity. it does not cause any pollution. Disadvantages of wind power. Wind turbines fall mercy to local wind patterns. For this reason, areas in which wind is not very strong or very frequent may not benefit from the construction of wind power facilities. Biogas. Biogas or gobar gas is based on the use of dung to produce gas, which is used as domestic fuel and lighting streets and homes, especially in rural areas. Advantages of biogas: sustainable source, reduce pollution, it is cost benefit, used as fertilizer, it reduces dependence on foreign oil. Disadvantages of biofuel: high cost of production, use of fertilizers, large area. A typical biogas plant requires a large area for its installation. Tidal energy. The rise and fall of the surface water of the oceans due to gravitational pull of the moon and sun is called tide. The sea water has considerable potential of generating electricity. The conditions of tide are maximum when there is a new or full moon, when all the three bodies are aligned, and it is a maximum when the sun, the earth and the moon are at right angles. At low tide, water flows over the turbines which drive this electric generator. Advantages of tidal energy. Tidal energy is renewable, it is environment friendly, it is effective, it has long lifespan, it serves as a coastal protection. Disadvantages of tidal energy. It is an intermittent energy source. The areas when there is energy is produced may be far away from the exact locations where it is required or needed. It is not cost effective. Geothermal energy. As one goes down below the earth's surface, the temperature increases at the rate of 1 degree Celsius for every 32 meters of descent. The energy derived by exploiting this phenomenon or the internal heat of the earth is known as geothermal energy. Advantages of geothermal energy: it is environment friendly, it is more reliable source of renewable energy, high efficiency and low maintenance. Disadvantages of geothermal energy: environmental concerns, possibility of depletion, high investment and installation cost. Here ends this chapter.